Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Karibu sana mwanchumu rigereria naenda se ensemeiga ya kabere nkwana ya beno botuko bware rubuna nachika gokomanya tuchigosanga nero Mheshimiwa Nelson Matoke Shujaa hachigotumanya amange na boigo botuko bware rase tokumurikira emiruberi ya berege kweneki wasa matuka bwangu gaseme sangirikano au ya gesiasa sabasae bamochigwe ase obonga soko baba bwatani na boigo abange babere bakoba agikeria kurende wigo tuchigosanga ngagochibosio ningike bwanete kwenekiwa herinde gokonya igesa kwekeiga kegendrete kwenekia chibura buru na boigo kiaberege komochigwa ase obonga ase studio no turenere Mheshimiwa Nelson uyogosanga na intukuru ase ensemo yomochie o Dallas ensemo ya Texas ense ya USA. Mheshimiwa Nelson haiga sense ya Kenya chinsa nisato chidaika 40 chiabutokire chiabo no botuko kurwa sore ngorengi mbono rituko rikire gati na bogoto kwanya omogusino mwancho murigeria bwa Ensoko TV tutaraso ase nkwana ito botuko bwarero
bantu baminto bagusibi bwairu ande bwairu bia tugai gandoche nechinsa chamo gaso saa 7 lunch tora kego lakini rende na igure bia gosanga naino ande mbia mana soko ngariga bia
Karibu sana. Bono Mheshimiwa wangu kwa natore enkwana ige murekereta abasae ne chibura buru cyabere chikwane kiwa sama tukabwango iga tiganda chaka naye gukuboria sengencho abara yabange besokire na gukwandrenga neyo abange bayegikeire chibura buru cyabere chikwane kiwa seme sangerekano ya gesiasa ya bwango iga nsemo ya Kiumbu ntwaroche egati abara yababwate taro yabo banyarete ko babagosaga ono gwikira boniga monto yo monasire tyo bogima bwaye egati abange mbagente konyoro bubweni ase chinyagitari au una yo murai kurwa sensemo yago abasae batumikire bobe nabo igega kore kerike na getiwe nsemo ya Kiumbu na kyako gekwanda
nje ko mone ko kan tuma pema elinde getu gora mai songo ba kero kan opena kira ngora dia ni ba ko ni again ton kiro ba ngren toy ba principal omura yorio gochora ero kwa mwanga kioko ma bonura nyoro ko semi atatu mi ina ba tubaruta magena onde tayo ko gorandagira korwa siwa so it's a learning curve na nabo nabo baitu bale nkagari abora nyora tatali kuancha kwabo koruta magena kento kyo kole kananke linga mesintio there are no job opportunities abara ibali the leader you choose today determines your tomorrow bora yuliogo chora lero nero kwa mwanki okoba man nchabantu bantu nari ko basigaga obuyambo limo bwate 2027 is around the corner tigakoaba chiko median chikura ngomonde singenchawa kora gwaseka woiba kwa mwakura tigakororera entakana na inche nebande tingabwati mubori omara ni kororera muntu mabera nko yasobora when choose a leader choose a leader and make sure ngana bwata ideologies evirengere birare to change the society talinga ati oko monte kuresenga ncho kwa mororera mbura nsesenga ncho moko anda matango baseki mo akago ikobisi mwanyora gari incompetent tama etigenta okora chande kire mono alida ikabona takoba ebo kongeria abantu abangemere lakini orore buna bongiga none gente ke kyo bonyomba nkero mono andi tima tinki yota kiaba abantu baitomba bwata bongo sana lakini kego kura bago chama bolo semia mbili chiri cha wangu semia 5 lakini tuore kwancha nonde origererie bikoro byo muntu origereri the source of the money ebe serioko money has spirits and power ebe serioko kubuko kabi golinga yebe se muntu naro itera manyinga yaibwa kora lifestyle audit ibara na bonds na ichiba chiabo chikoro mere mukibao kora kiba ikirega korugabu tobo koreri kubongo amuangu ebe seroko koleta rukali murai onde bwans lakini atebe naye bwe kuka una nateba the leader you choose today determines your tomorrow ngabara balimu achole 2022 ebe nabyo bintu babarete kyagara naroche gali ngakibona tobwata bageni bosongo bantu bande bakubaruta amageni. That's not a good show for us. Negento kende na gunduira chisege chimono iko chire western na Gusiland. Ebisa kubiri bibwata ine Kenya, there is power in unity. Musunga gote ba united we stand, divided we fall. Ntombale bamaite kutumia concept yekoro ku divide and conquer. Ngato baseberekani ebinde bachua tane bangane. Ngento nkere barorire na gusi nande babweta obumu gusi. Kegara no romu kumuskemati yangi gesatoreta nonyene president yeto yangi akolete bintu gusiye kanya kumura chibase bintu bitagachire.
Omushimiwa ngocha tore senseme yuto sange seyo obomo bwabarai na boigo oyo mokori obarai korwa gusi Fred Matiang'i korento tigarita sengane ga yabasae abange batebire nga abasaba iga ebare ase rieta rigeso bateba idol merimoteo ya gasi abange bakorre chiskuru mbabwati gasi population yabagenda te gukina lakini job creation nigerense asense moyo no buna barai inki modara bekire miroberio yoko ene kyabunango konya murabasabe so that incidents bune yabete kiumbune yabera se chinsemo chinde teko ene kiwa so that abasabe ga baba busy
ene kwa gigia omoralia lakini again to bonete toligere nek and in power na babone to create chigati igori no ko tindabarai na omorai oraligeria abantu chigasi because boniga una toko libichikurango nkoni tolesera cheto kwa ideologies chao bantu bange mbata tuko kubinto birigata tomoye ngwango anda sagochi begente kikwa kwani tinanya kwanda incharo atungo tabachikura bo MCA kitutu cent moja ni nairu chikura ebinto ngwana oligere liboniga art and craft metalwork woodwork na agriculture na byo bintu bikoros chibasa chinyinge PNC murara ke basone biro ga koros woodwork metalwork ne bitunda ne binte binde na chomelea mambo ya plumbing art and craft chi designer ngoka nuchire chibasa iskoga ebinte bintu aibwata as chi syllabus cheto che school bigacha bikarusi one on tobwati any form of education will promote creativity. History ga what even to be a kolekanete with no relevance. Yare kuna never TVET schools should introduce just 6-month courses. Yebi intevi. And then tikabantu baito warusia mentality elinga no koligiega si bangego create jobs. Job think within yourself if you're a conscious society will be creative. Lakini job mangana computer little opportunity demand ko creative upon the limited I know a large number of people. Yeah.
Mebano Mheshimiwa Nelson tika tosike bosio bono tunyara ko batoko kwandra emeroberio ya berege kwene kiwango achika gukwana bori tangani nga obomo bombo busi na boigo ama onchoreria asense mu yobora iboge siasa bosio bwa 2027 asari robo aba asigati yabara ibande egati yabo wakwana kurende asense mo yende mbaro andake bakotema kogenda maminchane nkwane iganga abara ikura gusi bado mbara kwana nerio yerimo.
No maana there are a few leaders but are in the ship. Madari wakati meli nangoa nanga mbale bago doubt bake and mbale in case bago join your side they have a lot to lose. Okonyora mbale kuba igete kubwata the other side. So told Koras I don't know 70 to 80% in unity. Konya by 2022, 50, 60, you know. So Konya Gotira, the numbers are coming up. Nabantu bangere kudwange inone chewe kuneka. So for example, ororo muske William Ruto abantu akeranyorete ebirogo the most senior positions ngareko abantu bae na si kitu mbaya. Charity begins at home. Moreno eno mo aba chindu wecheto Kenyambi the same thing. Kwa nini sisi tusijipende nkintu tutara nande talingati ochoro umuntu ino tali na merit okoliya abantu bali qualified inebwata a lot of qualified people. Mchasoko mkwane tobonete ko chamo uneke boye kemo kiagera muna nate ba unity is strength. Alafu ekero toramo toli the most qualified people. Taingati singe njomo ntubuna nate bare comedian ngabono basakire muamo embere mono. Omuntu gakogwe gase singe njomole sure he's up to the task and nabako kwanya abantu aseke nyoro. Negento kende gente que divide and conquer nta taba kusimwe gora maiso bia sana onde buensi okoena na chibese ati zienda kugawanyisha watu wetu nga rutoyo minama gena buna kwa naro te assassinations chiangere chinke okonyoro mwana ndega agitwe gali ne pigipigi akasira never to talk TV but we are watching. Timaiti okoligere bia leaders mbali ba called so much crime. Tenga ba uruwe birogebi. They might go to jail or they lose a lot. As a community we are forgiving people, but hatuwezi endelea kutake on hizi tabia mbaya. So it's either tuache to clean nini files tonge bia totebenga ki korudero ndogo seronde aberana toira nemesa toligia baraibara toire moto. But the only way forward is unity.
Mheshimiwa,
otherwise we perish with food.
Kero tokusko busine metengo ya toreto sanga mange ase ensemo yemeroberio begeta ase ward ya Kitutu Central kolenda soko kodra senganega Muske Fred Matiang'i esokire onyote ogosirwa bosoirwa ko bakokuru asorongorwa gusi negatie chinsemo chinde asensi ya Kenya. Buna hayo mwa bwatani korwa sensemo yesiko yense bagoteba diaspora. Mobegete ko bakoko wande buna barai bari muri siko timu ya diaspora kobeke meroberio yogosira in one way or the other yogokonyo Muske Fred Matiang'i ko gandrie meroberia.
Yes, inche personally Monday to me Fred Matiang'i. Chapter chichire I think over 20 kire state nebwate committee alafu bono mbwate the general committee yaba Kenya bonsi think as a general committee think one to muko kire state lakini naonde DFW committee DFW chapter a committee to kora resource mobilization gona gotanga play to kivike kiagaro rojo maneno bwense to gochikominyoki no ale kerogo nabwate chibese na agachaga chire koruka Fred Okengo Matiang'i because of his nonsense man. Tunataka mtu mwenye atafagia system na kufagia imaanishi kujail watu ama just to get rid of all the trash abanda abantu basikire abantu bad boys but people are overlooking but when you are gonna realize so we need Fred Matiang'i because all ministers by merit, I believe he is the best candidate, and I know. I'm not in that as a Australia, I think UK, Tima Dubai, but at the right time, then to support into it.
Miamano mheshimiwa se enkwani wona tikato cha sore na bwega se orogongorwa gusia na mono Kitutu Central Mheshimiwa Nelson Matoke unakuwa ereirare kwa nomubwatani b'omosike Fred Matiang'i ande nkori yore oburayo bwegaso bomo obuboko mwoko boko nkorengi ekiama gia Jubilee bosine byama biribire bigosira obomo bwaye ngakero beretie ko mubwata siasa ngenche bunge ya Kitutu Central abaraina bange mweso kire moko mwoko boko. Are you ready for nomination? Are you ready for kubwaterana na bande usigo maybe go pull down on in favor of someone provided most asengenja bange batebire igorari aromati yangira kini nsaiga go ikatobanga negosira omwananchi kawaida?
Oh no, I think conversations are always possible, and I respect all the leaders. Tima itiko say it's okay kutaja majina zao, but abuwa sekitutu ngosa bachikura kuwata baheshimiwa wange 5 or 6 tole behind, and there could be more kiagara panto mbale soki, and that's a good thing for Fred Okinyi. Mchana egere saying you cannot win if you don't show up, so at least nimejitokeza, and that's the first step ya kaberene linga. There's the power of numbers. So we have to consolidate with each other. The main important thing kelinga etimi ya Matiang'i. That's the main fundamental thing. Lakini again totally go chukuancha ko central go chukuancha boardroom decisions. Chiringa bono togo esaransi kutotebe aitike royo. Kila mtu anajiamini kama hii timu ya Matiang'i, everybody is equally strong. I've made my own analysis. On the tayo le push of ora tebe kura kiagara bantu ngwe tomongere sana, and they have brilliant ideas. Again tonali ko sabo Fred Matiang'i nsabe Mosiko Nyomka, Kibagendi and all the other senior politicians in the Jubilee and the Matiang'i team as a whole. Tigabato tiketora minyokania tominyokani tomende nomination oyo koegu. That's my honest opinion, because it's not okay to shatter somebody's dreams through a board. Lakini any opinion yana, of course, as leaders mbabu watenjera bao kore vinto vyao.
Murenda mheshimiwa kwa sababu kwa vira soko kuna cha muragenda buna kwata ile nkoro kwa boko nominations andake totebe kwa nyorere abara ibande mbairo bagosire, lakini renda kwa banayo regaiga eise kwa God forbid turanyora konyore ticket yo nore tayari gosira ori oranyora bubwe.
Whenever I'm out there hunting, tell you a family in my brother had a chance for he had a chance to run for office. In his own mind, he made a sober and good decision. Watigero Montonde. Ono matembale bakwe babato political broker. Ona inche nagete sabu nkaranti gerenchera. Ona libono ne cold rep. So nitakuwa kwa debe. But if Matiang'i and the whole team, the whole seniors wetu wakiamua they are going with somebody else, I cannot dispute the decision. That's because watakuwa wameamulia a lot of factors. Lakini sabari bakanda ekora, because it's my first time running for an elective post. Ndaetemanye nataka tu nijue nguvu yangu kwanza, and I want to get a chance to give people my ideologies. At least watu wanisikize, wajue what I stand for and what I can offer. Ile ndokende moralia. Kobu nomination haimanishi ni kushindwa. That's a good indicator of where you stand. So in case, which I don't believe it will happen, if I don't get the nomination, ni kurudi drawing board, niangalie ni places zangu za nyaka, ni wapi na need to improve, ni na need then I'll re-strategize. But whatever the case, mimi ni kama kiani. So that will not, if I end up running as an independent, I don't believe I can join any other party apart from Fred at fair direction. But ete venere option. Paka tomera nete. Amope mandai.
tiga tuskebosio bono toso ase obokorerwa gasengencho igatia barai bari bagosira omusike Dr. Fred Matiang'i abange babo babeire bakomochiwa ng'a ibatagete kogenda ne wave bagoteba ase omonu bekegusinga abange batarerete egoti korende buna mheshimiwa Nelson Matoke apart from okoraria mheshimiwa Matiang'i no kotaka kubwaterana mwene kioborai obega 2027 in person aye kerengeri kiobwate giokomokonya omwananchi in all aspects can be both economical, political and social.
Okay, one thing wakwa na again to mugusini mtagwa na manyido it's been a sport that means to the presidential bid actually ilianzia hapo Mlituko. So akikuja hapa the first time alikuja kuna watu wako wanaamini hiyo dream yake itakuwa reality. But I was one of them mwenye nilisimama na mimi si support Fred because sincerely think Mugusi, but Mugusi is an added advantage. Tumeona kazi anafanya, nikiangalia watu wenye wako hapa is the most qualified. So alikuwa mbali what I can do for my people nje kerona etuli bagali mutefikoga gosoma mupira ndete terende na masomo chama mata wate bese by the way though watu wengi by public opinion wa maathe ngono mwana Matoke oli nchiko bora mochango na akolete. By the way, thanks to Omingo Magara naero ndigeretie skuru ya sahii agaka nefi wakati mzee alituacha maisha ilikuwa ngumu. So buna na tomiru skoga na egeire binte binge sana. Anje tinta itingo teresko ga diaspora. Help masses. For example, mopiro yo ndete tesko. Hatuna systems zenye zinaweza saidia society yetu. Hatuna systems zenye zinaweza saidia society yetu kuendelea. Sports everything to angako kura tingo kwa na mangira lakini Clinton you know kwa ranto boate timu gali tokangea kukura toro seliti tokonya team cheto chomo pira so that we can promote sports. Amangana healthcare eto abagaka na bangina bali neglected. There needs to be some form of funds or grants chiko kwenye nganta again tokende our education system unataka hatuna kuna hizi artwork, woodwork, metal, culture, every we need to reintroduce them back to the system and in job creation. Alafu siku hizi dunia iko digital, kuna kazi za online, article writing, AI, JavaScript, everything. As I speak about women reach a lot of people because they need a laptop, they need the internet, they need a few things to be well equipped to go Korachika stage, and they need some form of training. So I am sure nikipata kiti I can absorb, especially the young people, I can absorb a lot of them into the world jobs and markets. Competitive, okay? And then we equip them with what we've learned. Toba magoro toba buato keberuan. Again tokende while it might sound like a joke, misappropriated. Procurement tender tell coherent, tell genuine, and tell transparent. Bill of quantities shared. How the tender was awarded mbali kototebi, the criteria behind it, na pesa mingi zenye zinakuwa released zenye ziko kwa budget, sema kama from donor funds, grants, nchini kwa bata announced. Ukolikera libya, NH dispensary cheto, ama roere na kama ke, mtu ufai kuenda KTRH kukua treated malaria. KMTC gere Kitutu Central Ward. General Hospital, yore KTRH gere Kitutu Central Ward. Mimi nipate hiyo nguvu ya kuwa kwa kiti, unachukua wale watoto wa KMTC wako internship, you find unatafuta donor funds ama from the county government, muna wako ready mwenye our MP, we equip this dispensary and then tunachukua wale watoto internship with one senior doctor or two. That way amarwera ya kama ke onspika ako solved within the community. Now ndi aba ana na wakewetu diribe veteraniri tandinga lazima minyo ke goje town. A lot can go wrong gatiga. So mimi tutobona to kokorere binyoroga. Security ni totally. Na hiyo ukiangalia hatuna good lighting system. Mangeta bado. December kulikuwa na vijana walikuwa wanapita na baiskeli wanaibia watu simu na kuomba mpesa pia. Mumronda akasiranya ankomba. So in our era mbinu ni correct. Kama mimi I'm ready to work with whoever mwenye wata choose kama MP na government with the permission of my people ni ku consult watu lights ziekwe, and if they are not in a position to tunaweza leta hata program inaitwa adopt a light okoliki panta baba kusimba bale siko kwa baba hata chibesa bata mati ngai bako era wanatutengenezea hizo vitu, and through our taxing system tunawarudishia polepole. Our current MCA. But our drainage system si nzuri na hatuna any water harvesting ideas. Ama acha kerombra ya tura amacha aliako terema enda gochi bogere mate. We can harvest most of this water and use it to clean our environment, wanyama wakunywa maji na hata you know water is life. So I have so many other brilliant ideas, lakini nilingo cha launch manifesto. Maybe I'll say more.
Mbiamono nande ntumanye ka chinga kecho ogoja guikase ogosokia mirobiri agase nchira yabene korendo mushimu wa Nelson kurwase ensemo kurwa baraina bange bayosokire bare neganga buna eyago in your personal capacity a relationship yago na your competitors ngakiere so far bose aseponi ga kiro monta kominyoke line ya, because you've talked good of ideas chirobwate omotwe abara imbara oro murigetie kubwaterana more like minded, so that going ahead mete bagote bangoyo mata konyara sabari embu yabwate sigwe no genda to sangana bara ibande ahead of 2027 ko ene kyankoreta morobomo.
Sincerely, I don't know if it's okay to mention names, but yeah,
it's okay.
I really
it's okay. Asengencho nebana sense mo ye mitandao ndoche omweshimiwa Sungura gaga gotebanga to we pass greetings nkore ngi mweshimiwa Sungura negati abari moko Rwandreke rwekega na bogo totebi your relationship with your competitors.
Yes, allow me to mention them. I hope mbago cha kuongita magena. Sungura is I admire his form of leadership. Napenda benyana. So ako very creative. To share with him, but according to our agreement, ni wacha kila mtu ajisukume at the right time. Mungu atakuonyesha direct. And I like what he's doing so far. In my opinion, is venye nilikwambia hao watu wa Jubilee, there is no kwa na tole nemboga. He's my neighbor. He's a personal friend beyond the leader. Kiagara bono ne neighbor ya nechumbige kombora na bongo tumano monto. Ando mimi nitako so wali. So with ngaine, but the idea is the same. Hata tujisukume huko mbele, Mungu atatuonyesha direction. I believe those are the only na wenye at least na things and consistency. But si kusema wengine pia is Babo Justin. We are personal friends. We talk, we share, but we keep our lives. I think apart from friendship, but I can say those are the only people that I'm close with. But on a personal level, I do follow all of them, and hopefully I can get a chance to meet them on a round table. And I do hope watakuja kwa timu ya Matiang'i so that we can share our ideologies and then thoroughly a way forward, you know.
That's good. Tikato cha se chinkwane chikwa rueme emerobiriga ne nakobori igo intentionally manye obwamate bwago nabari abaga banda sengencho abarai mura sense berio kwa merie serikali bose bari bara wasoborai bakuru kwa position mokorakana mubwate good ideas to say so. Gosanga more na the incumbent leader asengenja at the end of the day abantu muri getikora inubuna barai na ubari bari umurai orora kora aboniga emerobiri bune yige miyako yarerega. Do you find time gosanga no MCO go como a proposal ideas advice kogendri miroberio utara so ikiroga asa magani yako
Right. MCO I think anatumia old school system of leadership like that mako ordinary babako hivi a few days later, a few months later. But shida na kitu nimesema before, his handlers, some of them mbale like ni noanya akiro mupira, you know, egetikeri tu akilera for almost a year na ile kiwanja walitoa hiyo kiwanja walianza 2021. So imagine hii miaka yote how much talent those kiagere timu elia tungo mkonye keko training ya tieko NHS chavo by Kenya tieko wairane. So our current terms we do tell him things but through sana tunapiga nduru kidogo anafanya. But he's a good man. He's a good man. Abarende orate mira abotoko mwakira chinkobi ntuba twakire chikura. You see he's had two times, so kama kuna kitu alikuwa anafaa kufanya we can judge him by 10 years is enough to be judged. Yar ko bang newe tamu na mono bago tawange bintombire vile bitaton tarako. But you can go talk to the people on the ground. I'm not really the type to judge him again because he's a leader too. Wana mange, but watu wengi hawajafurahia na a few things. So that's not on me. That's for the people to decide. Ekerogia tekenaro ngora again na bere go oikete bonyo rengamba mwachi.
But then there's
ngare go gotu na kiamangana.
But then there's no what every at least mbia kwena na credits where it's due na go commissioning asense mo imero biri chipara otembire kurende tekatoske asense ya ngwate banga kutaka kubobura yobege step 1 no gwesokia asengencho muntu ta kubwatara esokia gwesokire we have a few months to general election ground ngaki ayome the size you are miles away from home ngaki ground bantu ba komanyire ndio gosokia manifesto ndio gocha kemero video because right now opponents ba gonkorengi some of them na wera beno bari ground unlike you asechinga kechiga igore far away.
Has been a very but kwa kijaribu ku find solution of which I believe it's almost 1 year to election. Launch the August, but because niko hapa kikazi and I need to send my lifestyle panto ingo kuchukura. So I'm taking the business and transferring them to able people. My main source of income. By December, I'm moving. Onye nogo so kagatika between December and August, and that's okay. Wiki was wiki werengira. The entire time, so for December, paka August. Na inje no nkaro yo moino. Every day. Kase bago tachama tanga no toram. Bako ndomo yagete no tole. Mochango gete kanisa gete. So I know a lot will change. Ukifanya opinion polls hizi, of course. Siko. Though I have my team and niko hapo kwa ground in the but you know you as you hapo na lako. So based on Ukiniuliza mimi saizi milestone nimemake, nimeoverachieve just by the fact that siko na niko na chance ya kusikika kidogo, ile kidogo yenye nasikika. Sinaona hata wewe umenipea platform. This is another opportunity. Ege ntoma eteneke. Chinza chioko sokanto chitwe soki. Tutache ground. As long as hakuna kupigana, hakuna kuuana, there is no shedding blood. Na gundurira kionga nterente kwa character assassination. Kente ke kionkorre, we've been denied very good leaders in our community. Character assassination as yao oreta propaganda ogo someria na mrio kwenye kwenye. So I'm urging my people, do not judge people. Akaro montago tebia gento, inquire more from others. Kenda koraka research ka oga kego, because if you make character assassination, but it's a part of politics. Tukifanya civil kwa vitu zitaisha. Watu wataacha watu watakuwa na and not based on you know, people tend to believe that broadcast so ni safi. Yeah.
Memana mheshimiwa bono ase karatoka ndete ngwane tego chikokorera bono ye amabori y'abananchi naregaiga hakuru kwa Zebedi Ongiri omorokyo monne bwitimi ya Kiongo FC agotebanga no abwatetie omorobiri agoteba mbuya mono sana for the support ase timu ya Kiongo FC. Oyakuru kwa Daudi Rashid agoteba barikiwa mheshimiwa mheshimiwa Josephat Sungura na tebanga beka makwani ntwachika ko mukwana abo ritangani Evans Ogaro William agotebanga what should you do if you are elected as an MCA ngore ngingwari kwane radio nare gotebanga why are we as the Kisii community allowing leaders to incite a brother against another ngore ngikwaye kwane gase kwagi keri watebanga violence because of political differences should never be tolerated. Mheshimiwa keratorigete go chigokora enkwana yaito obotuko bwarero engana yago nererie rabe gochase omugusi kero meroberia gesiase genda tekweroberia bosi bwa 2027 naboigo ase okomosiro musike Dr. Fred Matiang'i.
Bueno, entrar kora Mheshimiwa Sungura is a man that I respect, and hopefully I'll get a chance to meet him and share. Nkwani Daudi Rashid toko moroka Zoom. Zebedi Ongiri is our team manager, doing a good job. Gari korande. Kwani Ogaro na wande konsilatu mama kwani. Watevi banya bankonya sibakonyara tubwata na magoko. The main aim ni kusaidia watu wetu. Kuna watu mbali tu waachivirie bintu bikego. So sioni mbona mimi naweza achieve na kuna watu nyumbani wamenishinda akili wenye wako stagnant. We need to unite as a people to chama. Ona saba anto baito baki tutu central. Ngingo sabande chikura. Chobo MCA 2027 sorry. I know I'm up to the task. Najua niko na enough ideologies. Pia nimeenda shule. I have a master's in international relations Korea. Na chiesracha bano mupira igo igalenge division 1, so I have mbwate expertise in go sport management is one. Na I have businesses. That's my source of living. I'm in the logistics and transportation industry, both in Kenya and the USA. So nimefanya kazi na watu. I know how to lead a team and I prefer to lead from behind. Mimi na prefer nikitumia akili zenu kuendelesha county mbele. Hivyo ndo venye I believe Raila alikuwa anafanya, unlike Ruto mwenye ni akili yake ndio inatumika. So it both are good forms of leadership, but that's what I prefer. Akina ariko saba mumbu atesi monga magor. Nima etabo nigani skande ebi talking koligi. Kiagara siasa enaro ncharateta keili. Squeeze tori kokwanera monto kusa, it's a fact. Lakini hiyo yenye unapewa haimaanishi ati ni kura yako tunanunua. Aibuata kali lakini kaenda ikanka tumekuwa ngomo wa ngobyo muntu naifu. Mkara mingi sene buate si ngamago. Mkara tinda ibuya ego. Sikutunde mkwanere omera bagata ante imo mtu. This is the main important thing. Nto korana character assassination. Nto igu namabe. Nto mtanda. Na we should stay united to the end. Kwa frati yomo kusi. Nkere chikabire chichiri chiarode. Nande the only way we can achieve anything in leadership in our nation of Kenya is by being united. That's why they've been in leadership for good reason. Lakini bakoremo huyo ngere kubutuna bakumye kubudde nkuko concept. Sio ngere kubwatana baba muraba tega bamya gotoseberera nabo beseboke. Our unity is non-negotiable. And we are on a chair bunale punish him while loving him. So naona abo bale tate buraburu gali ke umbundoli ko babwatoka. Ntoba nchetera gini paka baya guranya and they should know where they belong in the society. So they have to apologize, warudi back to the community, waombe unity na wale mama zetu wenye wanauza mboga nebinte ibinde bono bamanyire choices have consequences. Moko gendra koebu mechure nechingende no umumranale salimacho tebetanya abarai bali baita banene bali kubuka boni gababonya chaye banyole ngatubugule iri bongo kuru boindi. It's a shame. I'm not trying to be tribal, but onyo monto kumira kwa monto kuru kuru digati ni ideology kyomo gusi. Tangi agoto kurekani otoite biranya gotorta magena. We cannot allow that. So let him apologize. Arudi nyuma ya Fred Matiang'i. It's not about Fred being the kingpin. It's about Omogusi having one leader and one voice. Msonye barocho obuwate chinguru. Una Fred. Wacha watuambie. Tuwabekera tirigoro because we have to be united as a community. Hiyo iko non-negotiable. Hiyo ndio kiomo alio. Mr. Ongwae, former governor, I'm sorry. But of course, even Tonera Mbira Mkorta Ase County, that's up. One he gave time in the Togo Kwana, lakini he gave us a warning. Alituambia kwa Nyirambo chawoche town hiyo. But ila time kuna na hata about hiyo ni ya siasa, the election fever, people don't care. Kwa hiyo. Ongeri has been despised over some time. Kero Ongeri na hata metoko tokona na nere. Squeeze intoli komotegera. Omugaka nale obure. So tuko na wazee wamebaki. It's high time tuanze kuwasikiza. Simaanishi ati they should order us around, but kuwasikiza is important. My suggestion was abagaka ababaito barosie baraza la wazee la Mkisi. They can choose from all communities because tuko na wazee wanaheshima kila from every sub tribe. In the major decisions chairman made from that. Ara yoka na bwate biamon.
Chicago nkwana chigati y'abantu baligeria sense mu mutandao Facebook kolenda ya monerega YouTube nerata bugatu amweba Edna Momanyi agotebanga Shujaa is a leader of vision and best skill with transformation in Kitutu Central Ward. Edna Momanyi mbiyamono mwishimiwa soko kodera ense more ya US emirobero nega ndrate chigosori cy'umupira w'amaguru World Cup etimu yagonereria World Cup wesenesa ogeto already.
Nche timu ya World Cup nilikuwa na timu 3 mbili zimetoka. Nilikuwa na France, Portugal na Senegal. So bado naonde na France rende hapa. I can't believe it's too much politics in sport right now, but it's been a good experience. though sijapata chance ya kuenda kwa kiwanja maybe nitaenda. Kutakuwa kuna game moja iko hapa chini. I might have a chance to go watch semi-final.
Ndio maana
Sijui ndio watakuja hapa but sisi tuko kazi kiagara una nato Katolika lia bantu baito ande Katolika ki kiagara bichukure chiremo tuanchita tamangana but it has been a good experience. Nimekuwa nikiwatch kwa simu na kwa TV. Yeah.
Chimiwa aiga bona se tugukorre nkwana yaito nabo tugutigara gago asengencho igaiga chidaika ne 25 ne mochinsa inye chiabo no botuko agugwate bambono bogo kiabo sembono chiabero mugaso
Saa 8:30
chinsa lunch ere
lunch ya ono ntae tenko ule na ande ndamyo kenga
naboigo asengencho Barnabas yago tebanga kurwa sense me inaro chomugaso akumetinga ki Mwanchu murigeria abono towika omwerio ase enkwana yaito Mheshimiwa Nelson Shujaa Matoke tugukugandire maya ase sabari yago yoborai nyasaye kagwanchana nde tokonyora chingaki tuchikonya kobato gusanga naye haiga ase enkwana ya bene getaseni gi Ensoko TV abari bonsi baine kia koba ababwatani benkwana ito obotuko bwalera togoteba mbiyamo naso gutuma chi ujumbe na mabori aso Mheshimiwa Nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ondigi asiri bagari ya Kelvin Mogoi Barnabas Ondari Felistas Kabendi na Deborah Mwenesi kuri studio ya Kabere baine kia marigine chibi chango chara senchirerengia Nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ondigi nyasaye kagwanchana nande tomira na sembe
Diamo.
Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi onye kubwatari iboryo obosemia gusekerero kendi gyonsi remero byaitu y'Ensoko